I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Below Zero Gelato. Below Zero Gelato brings happiness in a pint by giving us fresh batches of homegrown gelato. And I am about to try their two best sellers. And magpa-trivias ako the difference between gelato and ice cream. Ang gelato more milk, while ang ice cream kay more on a cream. So you would see nga freshly made yun siya at naapog yung expiration date sa ubos. And now I'm about to try the Tiger Milk Tea. So well, this is your favorite authentic Thai milk tea made cooler, featuring fragrant flavors that take you back to Thailand. So if ever you were a fan of a Tiger ice cream bar, so for sure ganahan sa Chugkaani. And now let's try their number one best seller. So mao ni siya ang cereal killer. So from the word itself, cereal, so it is a sweet cereal infused milk with spoonfuls of cornflakes. Nga ilang gi-turn into a gelato, so it is like your breakfast taste nga nahimo na siyang dessert any time of the day. And what's best kay it comes with cornflakes. So let's not argue na if ever cereal or milk ang mag-una kay nganhi, infused na siya. And for that, mga una dayon ta guys, well, I'll try first the Tiger Milk Tea. Actually, unlike the ice cream bar which is so sweet, kanisha, this is really like your milk tea turned into a gelato. So, naagid gihapon ang taste sa tea, and it is not so sweet, in which mas naganahan compared to the milk tea ice cream bar, in which marag ice cream bar nga flavored siya into milk tea, kanisha milk tea gid siya that turned into a gelato. So, ganahan di ko sa flavor. And now, let's try the cereal killer. Excited jud kayo ko guys. Iyang flavor kanang nakatry mo nga ibutang ninyo ang cereal sa inyong milk, then ibutang nyo sa fridge for quite some time. This is it, but it is so creamy, milky, and lamis sa jud kaayo ang texture nga magbutang kag cornflakes on top. I think kay bawsag ko nga naman may ganahan na chocolate no nga cornflakes or cereal, murag mas better sa siya ibutang ani kay murag it's like the milky chocolatey. So I'm actually din nakut doon kay nakoy choco cereal nga to. Ako gyud siyang itaping karong taod-taod. But kanagaling murag di ko kaundang nga murag mahurot na gali gyud din nako siya. Seriously, it's a new taste pero lami jud kaayo siya. Murag ay wala na, mahurot na. Bitaw guys, don't forget to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!